More shopping. I love buying things. Hello. Stockx. Shopping. Shopping slut. Trading Tom. Trading tutu head. Trading something. I don't know. Oh. Oh man. Quick unboxing. Stockx Shopaholic. I'm literally becoming obsessed with Stockx, so we're gonna do a Stockx unboxing. Okay, this is the first of many. So this is very exciting. Okay, so, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my fashion freak, luxury lover, shopaholic. Hermes Cartier King X and now a shopaholic Stockx slut, trading Tom, team trading. I don't know. We'll think of a better name later. Today we're doing a quick Stockx unboxing. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna talk about Stockx. We're gonna unbox this and we're gonna also talk about Stockx and stocks in general, really quick. I know I said previously that I was gonna do a whole stocks Saturday series about luxury stocks, and I have been looking into them and I have been kind of investing in them, and I will start that series soon. But TBD on that. We'll talk a little bit about that. We'll also talk about Stockx, the website, their authentication process, and things that I'm getting from them. So Stockx, yay! This video might be out of order because I have already gotten a bunch of things from Stockx, but I just got this today, so I'm unboxing this today, and then I'll post the other Stockx ones in order. But so the company, their authentication, how it works if you don't know, and also kind of just like starter Stockx discussion, and also how great their customer service is, how great they are with people, how helpful they are, and how rigorous their authentication process is, and also, you know, other things like that. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Stockx, subscribe. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna do a really quick Stockx background because I think this could be a longer video, but I'm just gonna make this short one for today. You can, first of all, in the comments below, if you guys have used Stockx or like Stockx, let me know in the comments below. If you bought something on Stockx and you're happy with it or not, having issues with the authentication or not issues with the authentication, let me know. But so far, I've had a really great experience. So for those of you who don't know, Stockx is a website that you can buy, you bid on items. You can put in a bid on how much you want to spend, and somebody has an ask if they have the item. It's all anonymous. You're never talking to the person. You only kind of just put your bid in. They have their asks, and if you like their ask, you can buy at their ask, or if they come down, you kind of negotiate and meet in the middle, basically. If you're too far apart, you won't. If you come down, they come up, you can kind of do this back and forth. It can be very fast, like bidding, it can be very fast, or it can take a long time. You can keep the ask for 30 to 60 to 90 days. You can also, keep the bid for 30 to 60, 90 days. You can also, if you're listing, want to list your product. But they're very serious about their authentication process. Usually it takes like a week or two. Everything that I bought has taken at least 2 weeks. They're very rigorous. I've had multiple things that I bought, mostly Goyard, almost exclusively Goyard. I bought a lot of Goyard on there, and I'll unbox it and talk about that more in a different one. But everything that I bought, like I think the first like 7 or 8 items I bought all failed. Either they failed verification, they weren't authentic, or they weren't real, or they weren't new, or they never got shipped by the person. You only have 2 days to ship it or something like that. Sometimes they extend it. So they are very rigorous about that, and they do take a long time to authenticate, and then they take a long time to ship to you. And the shipping can come from anywhere in the world. A few of the bags I got came from Europe. A few of them have come from the US, things like that. And I was talking more about the Goyard and the Goyard ones, but so basically, yeah, it's a buy and sell trade thing. It's anonymous. You make a bid, you make an ask. I had all these, because of all the bad experiences I had, not the bad experiences, because of all the things that verified and failed, or verified or made it and then were inauthentic, I got coupons. I got $100 off coupons, like I got a bunch of them. So I kept reusing them to buy other things. And this was one of the things, I put a bunch of active bids out. Basically, I put like, you can just put a bid on any kind of item. So I have a bunch of active bids out on like prices that I'm okay with spending things. And you can buy things way under retail or way over retail. It's like, it spurns the gamut. Some of the Goyard stuff is way above retail as always. But then, and some of the stuff is way under retail. Every now and then some Goyard stuff will go under retail, and that's when I like try to get it. And Louis Vuitton, same thing, Chanel, Hermes, they have it all. And I didn't at first trust it with their authentication process, but they've been pretty rigorous about it. So I think I'm pretty good about it. And they have a guarantee, buyer promise, 10 days after. If you want to, they can return it, you can ship it back, you can get a refund, you can get credit, you can get a partial refund. Like, there's all these different things that I've talked to. And again, I think I'll go into a longer Stockx video in another video. I'm just going to talk about this one, unboxing it. So actually, I had a bunch of active bids listed, and I didn't even remember. Like this happened like at least like 5 or 6 times where I've had active bids listed, and they were way different from the ask. So I didn't think they were gonna catch, and then I'll like wake up in the morning and like I'll have like a 3:40 at 1 a.m. and your card was charged and you bought because somebody accepts the bid. And because my bid's low, but it's low enough that the price could be acceptable in like France, where it's a lot cheaper for them to buy the person. So like sometimes there'll be France buys and I'll get the France one. And I think that this was one of them. No, this came from the US, but it had a few of the Goyard bags did come from France. Anyway, we're just gonna do the unboxing. I really like the website. This I got, you know, like almost $100 under retail. Plus I had the coupon for $100. I didn't actually want this, but I just bid on it because it was really low and under retail, and I was like, oh, why not? My best friend has it, and I thought it'd be cute for us to have matching ones. So I got it, and I haven't told him yet, so I'm gonna actually unbox it and then show it to him. I'm gonna call him right after I unbox this. But yeah, I placed the ask that was way under retail, and I didn't think it was gonna accept. And so then you can be also outbid. Like if I bid, there could be somebody else. It tells you how many active bids there are. So if there are like 5 bids, there are 5 people, and then there are like 2 asks, there are only 2 available. And then it can tell you, there's also like the few sales. You can see all the sales that it's had in the previous, since it's been online, and you can see if it's how much it's gone under retail, what the last sale was, how much above or below retail, how much it was from the last ask and stuff like that, and kind of gauge where you want to ask and what things have sold at. But what one sells at doesn't necessarily mean what the other one's going to sell at, the next one's going to sell at. They have to be 100% authentic. They have to be brand new, come with a dust bag, everything like that. They're very rigorous about that process, and they're pretty good about it. So they all come with this little Stockx certificate and the order number. Once you order it, they have 2 days to ship it, then it gets shipped. It goes very slow shipment. I think it's like ground because it takes like 4 to 5 days for it to actually get to Stockx. Then they authenticate it for 2 to 3 days. Then they take a day or 2 to repackage it. Then they take another day to like send it out, and then it takes a couple of days for it to get to you. So the whole process usually takes 2 to 3 weeks depending. So this is the Louis Vuitton card holder reverse monogam canvas brown. This retails for $265 in the US plus tax, so it's about $290, $300. So I got it for $190 plus tax was $20 for tax, so $210 plus $11. There was a processing fee, so $210, so $220, and then $20 for shipping. It's always $20 shipping, so $220, $240. But then I had a $40 coupon that I used on this one, which I got as a credit. It's not listed here as $40 off, but it's there. So it would have been $240, which still is under retail, but is actually $200. So it's like $65 under retail, and tax. So actually, almost $100 under retail. Get the Louis Vuitton box. Hello, won't go right there. It's probably gonna go right there. Literally gonna go right there. And it's just the cute little reverse monogram. So it's got this little Stockx verified thing. I think if I break this, that means I've opened it. So I'm gonna try to do it really gently. Can I just slide it out? No, I cannot. Can I? No, I cannot. Okay. And they're pretty good about like, you know, if you have any issues, you can email them, you can call them. They have a bunch of products in there, and it's not just obviously luxury stuff. I think it started as sneakers and like collectibles and shoes, like trading cards and stuff like that, and they have a ton of that. They have a few like Birkins, they have a few Kelly, they have a few like those things. They have a ton of Chanel actually, but mostly Louis Vuitton. They have like every kind of Goyard bag and color you could ever want, and there are a lot of active like asks and bids. I think people just resell like crazy on Stockx, but for the most part, oh, this is gonna come off. Well, let's see. Oh, okay, there. Let's see. So, feels pretty good. I actually don't know how this would actually feel. I gotta ask my friend. It feels fine. It feels a little not, usually they come pretty stiff. This feels a little worn. Not worn, but like a little, you know, like has a little feel to it. A little softness to it. I wonder if it says Louis Vuitton made in Paris, France. So far so good, it looks pretty good. The reverse monogram little thingy. It's so cute. If you guys want to know more about Stockx, let me know. I can do a whole video just about Stockx. Yeah, let me know in the comments below if you want to know more about Stockx. I'll talk more about it because I could talk hours about it. Also, I wanted to do a video about trading stocks and like buying luxury stocks. I've been looking a lot at like Louis Vuitton, like LVMH and Hermes's hesay stock and stuff like that. So if you guys want me to do a video where I talk about like investing in stocks, like carrying now, like I gotta look it up because it's gonna bug me. Oh, oops, sat on it. Okay, no. CAA just bought a huge stake of Kering, so now CAA owns the majority stakeholder in Kering. Oh no, sorry. Oh my god. Kering just bought a huge stake in CAA, so Kering now owns a big part of CAA. CAA is the biggest talent agency for actors, writers, producers, directors, everything. Let's say the biggest talent agency in LA, biggest talent agency in the world. CAA, WME, ICM, UTA are like the big four. CAA is usually number one. Sometimes it's Head and Heck, WME, but all the big actors that you know are usually with CAA. The younger ones are usually with WME, and there's exceptions, but the majority of the big ones are with CAA. I work in entertainment. If I've never talked about it on this channel, I do. Although I haven't in a while. Although I just literally got an interview offer for a big job, which I don't know if I'm going to take. I literally got it today, and I'm like debating my happiness of whether I want to actually do it and pursue this again or not, because I'm really happy and content doing this content stuff and doing and trying to follow this TikTok life and TikTok and YouTube life path, but obviously it's not financially there yet. So I'm trying to see if I want to spend my time working on myself, being happy, loving myself, and all those kind of things, and following this TikTok world and trying to see what this path does, or if I want to throw my back into Lion's Den, or throw myself back into acting. I don't know, throw myself back into acting, but that's very vulnerable and brings up a lot for me, and it is really hard. And then also throwing myself into this kind of casting world is very stressful and very intense, but it does give me a lot of purpose and focus, and I don't know. Please go check out my TikTok. I'm trying to post one video a day, every day at least. One video that makes me uncomfortable, one video that literally just is me talking to camera, is me manifesting, doing gratitudes, doing affirmations, doing something silly, trying a trend, talking to camera, or just doing one of those trends, or dancing or something. I want to do something, or posting something luxury related. I'm going to try to do one a day. I've also been trying to post more shorts where I just do Hermes.com when they launch, and then I'm going to do more chai shorts, I think, and things like that. So check all of that out too if you haven't checked any of that out. It's kind of like a channel update too, I guess. It's just a little amalgamation video on Monday, October 2nd? Tomorrow's October 3rd. What day is it? October 3rd. I guess this isn't what this video is about. This is Stockx and life update and just food for thought on a Monday. So that's all I got. But if you want to know about more about Stockx, let me know in the comments below. I will tell you more about Stockx. If you want to know about stocks, let me know in the comments below. I will also tell you more about stocks. So stocks, Stockx, Louis Vuitton unboxing. Little three for on a Monday evening. I'm probably gonna post this at 11 p.m. on Monday. So 11 p.m. Seeing you then. Okay, that's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Okay, that's all I got. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.